Small to big and big to small, let us write them one and all. Small to big and big to small, let us write them one and all. First to last and last to first, let us give them a counting twist. First to last and last to first, let us give them a counting twist. Count the numbers before and after, count the numbers before and after, write them neatly on the paper, write them neatly on the paper. Ascending and descending numbers, learn them perfectly, there is no wonder. Yes, come on, let's learn something new. Yes, what is it? Just see. These are balls. What is he seeing here? A big ball, little smaller, smaller than that, and the smaller one. The big duck, small, smaller, smallest. The big bell, small, smaller, more small, and the smallest one. What is going on here? Oh, we are going to learn from big number to small number. What is it? Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why did they arrange all this like this? Let us see. There will be something waiting for. Oh, we are going to learn about descending order. Okay, there is nothing but largest number to the smallest number. See, this boy is trying to get down the steps. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, something interesting is going on here. Let us see. Uh, Climbing the slide. Hey, see what an idea he has got. He is playing in the park and this man is watching him. Say, children are doing the same thing. Why can't they climb from the steps here? There is something going on. No climbing like this. What is that going on? Nothing but they are practicing descending order. Now, what is this descending order? Now, let us understand this. What do we see here? We see flats, apartments. Many people live here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The number will increase. Independent house, 3, 4, 7, 10 maximum. Here a hut, 3, 4, 5 maximum. So maximum number of people live in apartments. Minimum 10, 4, 5. Nowadays only 3 or 4. Live in an independent house. In a hut, 2, 3 maximum. So descending order is nothing but we have to write the biggest number to the smallest number. Say 120 people live here, 10 people live here, 5 people live here. Okay, this is descending order. Okay, what do I see here? One orange glass, a glass of orange juice. One more, one more, one more. Oh, I have got 5 pictures here. Arrange them. Big juice glass to small juice glass. Let us do that, children. Okay, let us see. Which will be the first one? Can you tell me? This will be the first one. After that, this one. After that, the last one. After that, the fourth one. After that, the smallest one, the fifth one. So, this is the arrangement from the bigger juice glass to the smallest juice glass. Bigger orange, you will get more juice. Small orange, you will get less juice. Okay. Now, let us listen to a story. This is the story of an elephant and an ant. A calf, a baby elephant is called a calf, who's playing with its mother and father in the forest. It liked to play in the water very much. Okay. They were enjoying a lot in the river. Suddenly, the mother, see this one, this elephant, sees an ant going away with the flow of the water. One more ant was on the leaf. Okay, this ant was trying to come onto the leaf but was not able to. The baby elephant was busy playing with water, father watching the baby elephant. Now, the mother elephant, which saw the two ants, understood, okay, there is some problem. And what did elephant do? The mother elephant saw an ant which was moving fast, right? Immediately, the mother elephant, with its trunk, caught the leaf and threw it in the mud. See here on the stone, and then onto the mud. The ants were very happy that elephant saved them. They thanked the elephant for the help. Thank you, elephant. Thank you very much. Thank you for saving us. Otherwise, my friend would have gone away. I will feel very sad for that. Elephant said, no, don't worry. I am there for you. We are parents. We know better how to take care of children. When I can take care of my baby calf, I can help you also. The ants smiled and went on their way with their friends. This is the mud part, and the ants happily went with their friends. So, children, what do we learn here? Grandparents, parents will always tell you to do right things. Hey, don't watch mobile phone. Hey, don't do this. Hey, don't. Always she has no work. She'll be telling something or the other. No, they understand you more. They will be telling you because it is good for you. So, they are bigger than you in size, in age, and they know much better things than you know. So, they still are helping you, small, cute children. We bigger people are helping you, small and cute children. So, we should listen to our elders, just like the elephant help the ant, right? Just like that, your parents, your teachers, your grandparents, okay, they will be telling you something, you have to listen to them, right? Now, that was a story. Now, let us understand descending order with numbers. This is 0 to 5, from 0 to 5. Okay? Basically, from 20 to 0, we have to arrange the numbers. So, 0 to 5, I have arranged the numbers. See here, 2, 5, 3, 4, 1, 0. Now, descending order is big to small or small to big. It is bigger number to smaller number. So, the answer will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Same I have arranged from 6 to 10. 6 to 10 should be arranged like 10 to 6. Understood, children? 6 to 10 should come like 10 to 6. See here. 7, 6, 9, 8, 10. What will be the answer? The biggest number will come first. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Next, 11 to 15. Answer should be 15 to 11. How is it possible? Just see. 12, 13, 11, 15, 14. Which is the biggest number? 15. 15. Next, 14. Next, 13. Next, 12. Next, 11. Okay. 15 to 20. Okay. 17, 16, 19, 18, 20. How can we arrange that? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Here we have to do reverse counting. If you know reverse counting, descending order is the easiest one to do, children. Okay. Oh, what do I find here? I find an elephant. It is showering water and it is saying what? Thank you. Thank you very much.